You psychopathic fucks! The sun peeked up over the sky, dawning on a day quite like no other. Well, not exactly unusual. A whistling Grinch?
I think this guy's balmy.
Never before had this psychopath listened to the birds with his ass.
And a very good morning to you, Mr. GreenFace. Repeat the Grinch's oath.
Don't listen to this. Oh, why don't you care? I saw whole town.
Okay, mate.
I'm choking.
Oh, the eggs are busy breathing in the good old sunny sun. What's that? Get that cat right out of the way. That's your attitude, eh? Fuck you, Mr. Greenface. Fucking meow.
This, sir, is my acoustic guitar. It sucks ass for 50 miles round.
Impossible?
I'll prove it.
That darn thing sounds stupid.
You suck. I am the master of everyone's ass. Just push my belly button. Your lovebirds start barking.
I thought this was a kid show!
I just push a button.
Fuck, now everything's
Dark.
Is there something in your life that causes Grinch delinquency?
Go fuck yourself!
This is a bit more complicatitious than I thought.
Anytime they want me,
Cat.
came me tumbling down. Did he things I know? Did he and I know? Anytime they want me, came me tumbling down.
He has snuggled our lives. He's guzzled our eggs. He's bamboozled Dr. Seuss. There must be a weak cow. That Grinch can be killed. You, and 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 you.
What?
And you, and you, and you, and you.
Follow me, men and madam.
We're going to boil that Grinch. Boil that Grinch. Boil that Grinch.
How am I doing, old fellow?
Oh, why do I even care about that you are the Grinch? We don't care about how we feel for each other.
What the? Grinch! Grinch! I gotta get out of here as fast as I can get.
Oh, hello.
Grinch.
What do you want, you weaselberry cat?
Do you feel lucky, punk?
Well, it seems so. Sort of. Very well then.
I'm going to kill you.
What?
Holy shit.
All right, Mr. Grinch.
When you die, nothing happens.
Oomph.